Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term absence and presence. Introduction. The concepts of absence and presence are given distinct meanings in the philosophical framework of French philosopher Jacques Derrida. These terms explore the relationship between the speaker or writer and their audience, particularly how their physical or metaphysical presence or absence influences the reception and interpretation of their works. Presence in speech and spoken word. According to Derrida, speech and spoken word inherently imply the presence of someone, be it a speaker, orator, actor, or politician. This presence is immediate and tangible, establishing a direct connection between the speaker and the audience. The presence of the speaker adds layers of meaning and authenticity to the words, as the audience can directly engage with the originator of those words. Absence in writing. In contrast, writing operates under the principle of absence. When words are written, the presence of the writer is not required for the words to be read and understood. This separation of the writer from their text allows words to exist independently and to be interpreted without the direct influence of the writer's physical presence. Derrida's insights highlight how the medium through which ideas are communicated affects the relationship between the creator and the receiver of those ideas. So this was the discussion on the term absence and presence. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.